is time for package from China. Let's unpack it. It is time for the Super Game Classic FC PlayStation. Welcome back to the channel, people. We are back with a new video with a new portable system from a friend from China. And we are continuing this 8-bit fetish because they're still bringing out 8-bit game systems. In this video we're going to take a close look at what are we going to get. It comes in this really nice, I must say, quality box. And I'm very curious what's inside, so let's see. Alright, and this is what we're going to get. It comes with this power supply. We're having here a USB cable for charging. Keep in mind we cannot add or remove games. Got this flimsy cable, very cheap. And this is an AV out cable because we can connect it to the television. It also comes with this little game card. Keep it closer, I hope that my camera is want to focus it. No, I don't. But this is just like more like a lock and unlocking. Let's see it like a little key because there is so far no data inside. So you plug it in and we can unlock the other games. Alright, let's take a closer look at the system. So the system itself is pretty big. It feels quite heavy. I really love what they did with this NES rip-off look. The D-pad itself feels very nice. Reset button, AB or AB, turbo buttons, select start. It's pretty unique. A lot of these cheap-ass systems got a reset button here, but yeah, they swapped it out. Let's see, volume, power. Here at the back we are finding the power. Oh, I just fucked it up. Alright, let's take a close look at the system itself. It weighs quite heavy for a cheap-ass system. The D-pad feels very nice. We got in here select start, A, B, and these are the turbo buttons. Here at the left top we're finding the reset. Here we're having the power for on and off, volume. And at the back we are finding this little speaker that is very loud. For opening up this, here we can find the battery inside. At the top we are finding USB connection. You can only charge it, there is no data transfer. Here we have the slot for the cartridge and a little jack TV out. Alright, let's crank up the volume. Hey, it's a long time. It's a very long time that he used this Final Fight song. The 120 in 1. That is the first game collection. And the first I'm noticing that wow, the menus are loading freaking slow. Digital Pinball. Right, there are a lot of cheap ass games. Boltman, Hamburger, Finer Arkanoid, Happy Island, Super Adventure. So I think they swapped out the names. We're going to try some. Alright, Finding Nemo. Right, I found a game that was very curious about. Space Invaders, right? No. Digital Pinball. Pachi. What is this? Is this a pachinko game or something like that? Seems to be. Oh, wait, we can do something here. Whatever. Let's take a close look at the 480 in 1. Here's getting really interesting. Adventure Island. Whoa, the menus are loading very fast here. There are some familiar games like Galaga, Galaxy, and Dig Dug, I already see Donkey Kong. So. Alright. Let's scroll through the list. Wow, there are a lot of games here. Cannot say that there are a lot of double games. Just going to hold the button. So, but I must say this one got a lot of games, but Other good games? Don't know. Let me know what do you think of this. What do you prefer? A big long list like this or just a short list with great games? Because let's be honest, scrolling through the list is going to be a freaking nightmare. Alright, let's do some gameplay. First game, Ninja Training. You have to be shitting with me. This is Charlie Sigwar's only with a ninja. And dolphin. The crocodile. I got a dead pixel in my screen. Yep. I must say the screen is big, but it's not very colorful. If you compare this with other systems. Ah, we found the Mario Bros. Nice. Wow, this one runs on turbo mode. Oh, we're going to play this in turbo mode. It's me, a Turbo Mario. Ooh, and I screw it up. I want to upgrade. Ooh, nice. And I'm dead. Oh yeah, that's right. Weird control game. So for the final conclusion about the Super Game Portable System. First of all, I really love what they did with this theme, ripping off the NES or the Famicom Nintendo product. But of course I have nothing to do with it. Yep, the games itself, they run fine. But I did a review in the past with some family computer handheld and the games are running a little bit similar. Not the games are running perfectly. This one, it's a big handheld, but it plays very well. The game collection is not the greatest I have seen, and there are even some double games. So, that's a little bit of a bummer. So keep that one in mind, and the cartridge itself is totally useless, because there are all some double games and a lot of crappy games. So let me know what you think of this, I really love to know. I want to thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye!